Hi, my name is Ashwati Krishna. I am actually hailing from Kerala, from the capital, that is Thiruvananthapuram. So I've been a working professional for the past 5.5 years, and right now I'm just having a career shift into makeup and hairstyling. So I've been researching a lot, and SMA was the one academy that kind of stood out for me in respect to the portfolios being created and the kind of looks and the creativity that they are putting in every and each photo work. It was pretty outstanding, I would say, because they go in really so much of depth into each of the subjects, and it gave me a very good understanding about each and every key element. So yeah, it was amazing. Teachers were pretty really friendly with us, and we were able to understand, the way they were teaching the class and everything, and it was pretty informative. And they don't just stick to the what you learn from the book. They really impart us from what they have gained over the years. So you learn a lot in the process. So SMA was like, the journey was pretty very brilliant for me. I think it actually exceeded my expectations, I would say. Yeah, so thank you, SMA. It has been a great journey for me. I cannot put into words as much, but the instructors, everybody, Hilda, Rita, ma'am, everybody, they're amazing, and it feels like home every day I come into SMA, and I would like to keep that as well.